Are you ready to take your Vendasta experience to the next level? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to easily customize your Vendasta branding so you can create a more personalized experience for your clients. Stick around to the end because I'll also share a special bonus, an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. First thing, let's get started with accessing your Vendasta dashboard. To customize your branding, you'll need to log into your Vendasta account. Once you're in, head over to the Business Settings section. You'll find this in the left-hand navigation menu. Next thing, let's dive into the Branding section. This is where you can adjust your logo, colors, and other visual elements to match your business identity. You'll want to upload your logo here and make sure it's high quality and optimized for the platform's requirements. It's crucial that your brand stands out to clients and looks professional on every page they interact with. The third thing is to customize your company name and tagline. It's important to personalize this part because it reflects your business and sets the tone for your communication. You can edit this in the Branding section as well, ensuring it aligns with your company's mission and messaging. Next thing, let's talk about customizing the email templates. Vendasta allows you to modify your email templates to ensure consistency with your brand. In the email settings area, you can add your business's colors and fonts to keep everything looking on brand in your outgoing emails. This is a great way to make your emails feel more personal and aligned with your business identity. The fifth thing, don't forget about the login screen. Vendasta lets you customize the login page with your logo and color scheme. This is one of the first things your clients will see, so make it count by showcasing your brand right from the start. Moving on, let's quickly touch on the white label option. If you're working with clients and want to provide them with a completely branded experience, you can white label your Vendasta platform. This allows you to remove any Vendasta branding and make it feel like your very own solution. It's a powerful way to build trust and deliver a consistent brand experience. The last thing to consider is the custom domains. Vendasta offers the option to add your custom domain, making the user experience feel more cohesive. Whether you're creating a portal for clients or customizing email communications, using your own domain is a game changer. By the way, if you're interested in trying Vendasta for yourself, make sure to check the first link below. You'll get access to Vendasta software for free, plus some exclusive bonuses that will enhance your experience. To wrap it up, customizing your Vendasta branding is a great way to personalize the platform to your needs. With the right settings, you can deliver a branded experience that makes your business shine. Don't forget to use the link in the description to unlock your exclusive extended free trial and get the most out of Vendasta.